YouTubers out there coming from Los Angeles, California. And this is a one here. This is called a Speedman. This is a Showerhead. This is their Hotel Series. This one here is 5 years old, and I'm going to talk about the maintenance that we do on it and how we do it the right way. And we do this a little bit differently than everybody else online and also too on YouTube. First of all, you have some tools here. You have your toothbrush that you're going to go ahead and clean any of the crevices here. And also too, you're going to go ahead and clean your shower right in here where you have basically your spray here. And then what you're going to do is that I have this container. Also too, we have here vinegar. This is filled up here. And we're going to go ahead and dip this in for 24 hours. Not 90 minutes, not 3 hours, 24 hours, so it gets a good soaking with vinegar only. Then what we have here is you have right here your connection here that you unscrew this off here, and you're going to need some pliers. But very, very, very important, you're going to take a towel, take your towel, wrap it right around here on the head, then take your pliers to go ahead and loosen it up. It should come right off with a pair of pliers very easily, or actually sometimes you can hand screw them off too. And the reason that I'm using the towel, because basically this is all chrome and metal, and if I take the pliers and if I put a lot of pressure on it, I'm going to go ahead and scratch this part here, and we do not want to do that. And then also too, you are going to need some tape. This is actually plumber's tape. This is the Monster brand. This is the brand that I prefer, but at Home Depot you can get plumber's tape for 89 cents. Sometimes you don't even need to use it. It depends on the fittings, how old your pipes are. Basically, I use it every time. I just take it 1.5 times around the thread, and it goes right in easy. If you don't have the tape, you can go ahead and try without the tape. Either way works, but then of course, if it's leaking or dripping through the connection where you're screwing it in, definitely you need to go ahead and get this tape, okay? So we're going to go ahead and take this here. And this here is the Speedman. This is the Hotel Series. We are just dropping it in here and we are letting it soak. So this is going to go ahead and soak for 24 hours. I have already done this process. This came out shiny, brand new, and also too, the water pressure on this is going to be fantastic. You don't have to worry about any of the calcium deposits. Everything else has went ahead and it has dissolved. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sharing. Leave your comments below. Enjoy your summer. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you like it, go ahead and leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.